again, everyone. It's your girl Jessa, and welcome again to my channel. Yes. Kahayag, my pimple. Alright. I'm here inside the dorm. I am alone, but not lonely. Okay, so kawali. Today is Thursday afternoon. I just arrived from work, and today is my friend's birthday. Hi Michelle, happy birthday to you, guys. And right now I am so excited because, well, in my previous vlog I think I've shown you, or I uploaded about me meeting with my college BFF, one of my college BFFs, Michelle Jaco Hakosalem, after how many years, and today she is celebrating her birthday. So mga dito guys, we will go to their place. Okay, take two again. So right now I am preparing to go to South Bus Terminal, head on a bus and go to Karkar. Yes, Karkar, same hometown, but dili ko makalaho sa amua. We live in different barangays, but we are in the same town. So I already informed my mama ngamadto ko that I will go to Mitch place, but I will not go to our place. Does it make sense? But this Saturday pohon, of course, muli ta sa tuwa, guys. So I will be meeting with my other friend Gretchen Sinsin. We will go together to Michelle's place and maki-celebrate. I also miss our other friends Charlie and Kim, so I hope to see you soon as well, although magsige may communicate online chat. So yeah, we will go there together and just have fun. Well, adulting kind of fun. See ya. Okay guys, so I'm heading to South Bus Terminal now. Tarong sa nila to, Mitch. Tomorrow is Friday and I still have to work tomorrow, so I'm bringing some overnight clothes and my attire for tomorrow in school in case it will be very late and maglista na tagsakay og bus, but balik, because you know what, it's already 5:30 and the travel time from Karkar back here in the city, I think that's depending on the traffic, that's 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. It really depends. Oh sorry. Okay, I'll see you later, dorm. I need to buy a new sandals, guys. Okay. Kailan mo akong sandal? Duha na. I mean, 2 pairs. Baon pa jud. Yes. Hello. Yeah. That's not mine. That's not all. It's not mine. It's aqua to my roomies. It's alright. The rain already stopped. Let's go to South Bus. See you later. another ticket. We got a ticket with Sin Sin. Kadumi car guys.
Think about your day and ask you how it is.
Balik! Hi, Mir Mir! Hi, Mir Mir! Ah? Kasi tawagan ni Day? Ano sa'yo tawagan ni? Sustajin. Hello, Day! Birthday niya eh. Naki-vlog yun ko. Naki-vlog ko sa dito ako pala eh. Ay, tita, naki-vlog ko sa iyo. Pwede rin. Mag-tiktok me, guys. Yan, yan. Hindi ko wala ko kakitaan, no? Mirmir! Hey! What's his name? Sai Sai? Cry Cry? Hi, Shy Shy! What's your name? What's your name? Strand? Chai? Siya di eh. Yung sa iyo name. What are you playing, Mir? What are you playing, Mir? You're in my vlog now.
I'm playing Roblox.
Okay. Is that true?
Yes. Check out my channel Miro Reyes and subscribe because I have still a little bit.
What's your channel?
Miro Reyes.
Oh, you also subscribe to my channel. I will subscribe, okay? Kisa may nag-x-ray dira oy. Shout out sa Paris ani niya. All girls.
I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say. Oh no, I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries of pain. You get the love and I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you. When all you did you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it up, okay? Oh no, oh no.
Birthday girl na mo ni Day. Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Where are you? Congrats, Bea. subscribe to your channel, Robo? I'm Tita Jessa.
Hi. Subscribe to my channel. It's called Mirror Reyes. Because I still have a little bit subscribers.
How many?
Just a few. It's just like 20.
Ganay umang. Hoy, di na siya